I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the damaged section so you can work efficiently. Once done, clear furniture and lay a 1/2 drop cloth to protect floors, then gather tools, putty knife, seam roller, paste, sponge, and a bucket of water. Start the removal by scoring loose edges and gently lifting them with the putty knife. Make sure to remove only what's necessary so surrounding paper stays intact. This focused start prevents extra damage and sets you up to patch precisely. You now prepare the surface and the patch for a seamless fix. First, trim frayed backing and scrape remaining adhesive so the wall is smooth. Once finished, apply a thin, even coat of paste to either the wall or the patch, and fold the pasted patch onto itself for 2 to 3 minutes to activate the adhesive. Next, carefully align the pattern and position the patch. Make sure to smooth seams with the seam roller from center outward to expel air and excess paste. You finish by cleaning up and ensuring a strong bond. Gently wipe any excess paste with a barely damp sponge. Avoid soaking the paper. Then let the repaired area dry for about 24 hours. After drying, trim any overhang with a sharp blade for a crisp edge and press seams one more time with the roller. If seams lift or bubbles appear, apply a thin line of clear seam adhesive beneath the edge or use a heated seam roller for stubborn areas. This usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.